브레드 맛있다.
Apparently they're known for their fish dishes here.
I really want some pizza.
Today I'll be unboxing my new DJI Pocket 2. It just came in today. I'm very excited about this. So I actually have this, which is also from DJI Osmo, and it's for your phone. So it helps you stabilize your videos, and you put your phone up here. So I've been really enjoying this and really liking this, but it's a bit heavier. And when I'm just out and about in London, I don't like to carry a big bag, or I don't want to carry this heavy thing around. But when we're traveling, this has served us really well, because usually when we're traveling, Ryan has a backpack with him, so I just pop this in his backpack so I don't have to carry around the heavy thing. And we've been really liking it. But nowadays, since we're not traveling, but we're just going around town in London, I wanted to get something that was a bit smaller and more convenient to just have. So this one is really small. I think we'll open it in a bit, but I think it's actually smaller than your phone or iPhone size, which is great. And also another thing was, I'm still quite shy when I'm trying to film my videos. When I'm traveling, and if I'm in a different city or a different country, it's so obvious that I'm a tourist. So I feel less shy about using a big thing like this to just film everything. But locally, when I'm just walking around London and going to restaurants or stores or just taking a walk, I'm still a bit self-conscious and shy about it. But this I thought would be great because it's so small. So it would be less self-conscious and shy about vlogging and recording using my little camera over here. So this is the latest model that they have, which is DJI Pocket 2. And let's see. Let's open it up. Oh, I also got this SD card on the side as well. Let's open it up. And here, oh, a lot of different parts. It's so small. So this is my hand. My hand's quite small. It fits my hand. So yeah, and it's way lighter than this big one. This is way lighter. So this is the actual Pocket 2 with a cover. And let's see. This little thing is the tripod mount. This is the little USB adapter. And this is the wrist strap and the power cable. This is the lightning adapter. A lot of adapters. And this one's, oh, this is the mini control stick. Okay, so it says to download the app first, which I have already, because when you're using this, you also have to download the app. So this, let's see how to do this. Oh, it just pops out like that. Oh good, it has cushion over here to protect the camera. So the actual camera is really small. So it says to look at the tutorial on the app. So I'm recording using my phone right now. So let me stop recording, watch the tutorial and figure out how it works, and then I'll come back. Got it. So let me get this little one, which is the mini control stick. So I think just have to slide it in. As it's updating the control stick. Update successful. It's a touch screen, so I can just do that. Pretty cool. Oh, and then this button, you can switch between photo and video. Awesome. So for now, I am going to turn it off and charge it overnight and hopefully test it out tomorrow.